the coconut one's so cool. I kind of want to
Hi
get
everyone.
It looks so cool, but it looks disgusting.
Mga Carmo, this is again
It's for the
Buensuceso.
Instagram.
Welcome to my vlog
Oh,
again.
yeah,
Buensuceso
that's why I'm
Kitchen.
getting tequila.
We are here now at one of the Filipino restaurant that we have to dine in because Minami come and visit us from New York. There you go. There's my daddy.
Yeah.
And this is my Marcy.
This one doesn't. Yeah, that one doesn't have any.
And me, of
That's
course.
good. Yeah.
So,
Okay, I'll just have that
Yeah.
Yeah,
one.
we just got that taste. We both got that taste. Oh my god. I'm getting the whole jar.
we are choosing their own food. So, what can I choose?
Yeah, I'm getting I'm getting tequila. If I don't finish it,
Oh, it's here, Minami. Yeah, you can see there whatever you like. Then they will choose also.
oh yeah, actually
Then we
it's
can
too
share
sweet.
in one.
Grilled, grilled squid.
Squid, okay. Good squid. Minami was good. Thank you.
Grilled squid and then barbecue.
Okay.
Pork barbecue.
Can you get barbecue squid?
Huh?
Inasal chicken. It's been a long
Papa
time.
ordered already barbecue.
You
Barbecue
want
squid.
chicken barbecue?
Chicken inasal.
Chicken is also
It's
take
like
for.
it's like inasal flavor.
So you can take how many stick in one order? Is it stick?
Marcus.
Oh, it's not a stick. Sorry. Okay. One order.
Yeah, one order. It's one order with that. And then how many squid?
One order. I'm ordering.
Yo, relax.
Grilled squid.
Yeah, this guy.
So mga dalawang isa-size mo na nilalangga eh.
2 squid, yeah. 2. And then
If you want this barbecue, though.
but
I want the lumpia. The combo.
Okay.
The combo.
Good for everybody,
I
anak.
want the lumpia.
The one with the squid.
the squid?
I want to try the squid. Yeah.
Yeah, squid. Yeah.
Wait,
So
you
good.
guys ordered this already.
Yeah.
So what
Ah, yeah,
else?
they already ordered this.
Okay.
Okay,
Three
anak.
squid?
3 squid. One chicken. Chicken.
And then
Um,
barbecues for you take a 8 barbecues pork what is that?
What'd you say? 3 squid?
Yeah, 3 squid, grilled squid.
maybe they have calamari, you see? You see if there's a calamari or what?
Yeah, you have a calamari. See.
Yeah, let me know. You want to try calamari or shrimp? I think shrimp because you have the squid already. So shrimp for me na. Like
Wait, do they have
tempura?
lobster here?
Lobster? I don't
Yeah,
know.
do they have lobster?
See if there's a, try to see if there's the lobster.
If they have a lobster, let's get lobster.
And then anak one,
No, they have no
Let's get shrimp.
ano na ko? Let me nami try this
Sure,
one.
that's all that you want. You can choose any.
Ano
Leche
na?
flan?
Leche flan. And then halo-halo.
Whole tray?
You don't
Yeah.
understand the language.
How much is whole tray?
40.
You can ask me.
So, why there's a half?
There's the slices. $9 per slice.
So, sa whole tray ka na lang. Whole tray.
I'm happy if I get
This one's like roasted pig. It's like crispy.
This one, darling, this one and this one are the same, but this one is a big bowl.
Bigger, yeah.
So, we better
This
take
one's
this
the
one
share.
so that we can have. This one is for sharing.
Yeah, this one we
So,
get.
this one we get one individual. They are both the same.
You want to get this one?
Yeah. All of us, anak. All of us. One serving. See if there's a lobster, then let me namin try the lobster.
Wait, are we getting the chicken inasal?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, try the lobster.
So
How about pancit? You want to try pancit? Canton?
It's like noodle.
Yeah, yeah.
You want to try noodle? Which one do you have? The dried noodles or the one with the soup?
Pancit green or
I only have
Oh, ma.
3 grilled
He wants the
squid.
dried noodles.
leche flan and halo-halo for now.
Ma,
What
yung dried
else?
noodles. Yung pang pancit.
Chicken.
Pancit.
Ano
Yung
tong
Korean
chicken?
yung pancit.
Anak, ano tong chicken mo?
Chicken inasal.
Chicken na
What
salad.
number, bro? They have numbers.
Oh, they have numbers? Oh, it's number...
Darling,
They have
will
codes.
you choose their someone?
They have codes.
I think. Never mind.
Yo, go to tapas. Tapas. We don't have menu.
Which one?
Chicken.
Chicken inasal.
Oh.
What your noodles, Minami? What do you want for your noodles? Pancit bihon? Bihon is bihon.
I want lumpia.
Tiny noodles. Tiny noodles.
I want lumpia.
And then you have pancit canton, like
Egg noodles. Pancit canton is egg noodles.
No, she wants the dried noodles.
Yeah, it's not that. So this is dry. This is dry.
this is Where this one? Bihon? Yeah. What's it looking like?
And bihon.
Pancit bihon.
Alright, it's fine now. And rice.
Drinks.
Thanks.
Bihon.
Oh, we have water here.
No, I want drinks.
Okay, take a view, three of you.
No water.
I don't like drinks also. Ask me Nami what she...
I want.
Can I get the tequila?
I want the one with rum.
Can I get this one?
So ask me Nami, you
Just
can
say
have...
rice.
You like the one that...
Rice.
Yeah, rice.
Like just white rice.
Yeah.
Bagay ka na.
One serve.
Bagay.
What is it there? You can have this one.
First time kong saying that three. Pwede.
Marcus, you want to have this one?
No, yeah, I'm getting tequila.
Tequila?
This one.
Yeah, bro.
I wanna try what it tastes like.
Which one? Yeah, I know. I'm
It looks so
getting the
good.
one with no
It
alcohol.
looks good to
Three of them do want to
What do you guys want to get?
No, we do.
Let's get it, right?
I have halo-halo.
Are you getting the one?
Halo-halo.
You know what? I think they're gonna ID you. I think they're gonna ask for your ID.
Oh, hell no. Yeah. Not
Just
take,
shoot, just shoot. I think so.
No, she's already 18, so it's fine.
No, but legal drinking age is 19.
Huh?
19.
I think if they ask for 19, I'll change my drink.
No, don't lie. Okay?
Yeah, if they ask for 19, I'll change my drink.
No, they're gonna ID you.
Huh?
You're gonna
I
ask
don't-
for ID.
ID?
Minami, which one do you want?
Like
Did you
any
bring-
ID, no?
Yeah, your health card, your driving license.
I got my health card.
Same thing for me.
Yo, you got my phone, right?
Yeah.
No, you better ask what age before you order, or else you're gonna waste it. So if 19, don't try to find another
I'll ask
drink
what's the
for you.
minimum wage.
No, bro, don't. I'll get it.
You wanna get it?
Yeah, we're gonna wait for our food. So see you later again.
So, you order now.
My beautiful girls and my handsome boy. Gonna wait.
I don't like tomatoes.
Here you go. Ah, ito ng pagkain namin. Some of that is not there yet, so we are waiting. Yeah. Our ladies will take first.
10 years later, be like. Good. Ma, I thought you said 30 minutes. You actually took 30 minutes, bro.
Bro, don't feel like it, but we waited
Sinigang.
so long.
Kasi maganda.
Oh, ask your Philly tonight.
Tapos yung bihon.
Okay, where to put it?
Minami will try Filipino food. Yes. Sweet. Yeah, Minami is enjoying with Filipino food. Yeah. Yeah, that's so sweet.
But I prefer your bihon, though.
Huh?
I prefer your bihon.
Bihon?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, anak. Oh my God. So lovely, Minami. So lovely. Thank you, Minami. So, Minami is enjoying her native Filipino drink. Native Filipino drink. Yeah. So, we have to close our vlog right now, and thank you so much for watching us. Hope you enjoy our short video. Beautiful Minami. And hopefully you will enjoy our short video, and please like and subscribe our channel, The Buensuceso Kitchen. I love you guys. Good night.
Hi.
There's egg.
You see, guys, mga karambo, there's our halo-halo. Yeah.
How big?
My kiddos are enjoying it. Yeah. Yeah. And that's Minami. It's her first time to try a lychee flan. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, so hope you like and enjoying watching our video.
It's taking me so long.
But it's not my fault. I'm using my left. Is it left?
So mga karambo, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel, The Buensuceso Kitchen. Hope you like it. Love you guys. Good night.
Extra sugar.